why I embraced a life of minimalism as a British Bangladeshi. Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into something close to my heart, minimalism. So, a bit about me. I grew up in a Bengali household in London. If you know, you know. Our homes were full of life, laughter, and stuff. Lots of stuff. In our culture, owning more meant you were doing well in life. More furniture, successful, a cupboard stuffed with saris, wealthy, a freezer full of samosas and a year's worth of frozens, you're winning at life. For years, I didn't question it. I just thought, this is how things are. But as I got older, I started feeling this mental and emotional clutter that matched the physical clutter around me. I'd go shopping for things I didn't need, only to feel guilty afterward. I'd hoard sentimental items like old birthday cards, because I thought letting go of them was disrespectful. Then one day, I had an epiphany and thought, why am I holding on to so much stuff that doesn't bring me joy? Cue my realization. I was on an international bridal booking when I had to pack very carefully for my job. My kit was already quite minimal, but I decided to go even lighter and take what I absolutely needed, freeing up so much space and felt incredibly light. On the plane, I remember thinking, I could live like this, only possess what I actually need. Then it hit me to completely change my life and embrace the world of minimalism. I guess I always strived to be as minimal as possible, but as the time went on by, I realized I still had so many things I really didn't use or need. Minimalism isn't a destination, it is a journey. We only have one life, and I just want to make the absolute most out of it. Embracing minimalism wasn't just about clearing physical clutter, it was about clearing mental clutter too. I realized I didn't need to hold on to things to hold on to memories. Minimalism helped me redefine what success looks like. For me, it's no longer about having more, it's about living more. Now I have more time for things I love, spending time with family, traveling, and just enjoying the little moments without being surrounded by clutter. Cleaning and organizing is so much easier when you have less stuff, and now everything has a designated place in the home. So, if you're sitting there thinking, I could never be a minimalist, trust me, I used to think the same. But you don't have to go extreme. Start small. Maybe clear out that one drawer we all have. You know, the one with the random batteries, expired coupons, and pens that don't work. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intention. It's about choosing what matters most to you. Well, that's my story. If this resonates with you, or if you just want to laugh at how many takeaway containers you own, drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it simple and keep it real. Bye!